Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. Dear brothers, I salute you, the Islamic salute, and say to you, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you. Thank you so much to be following us from your page, Serigne Afia Bousso family, and I hope you will always stay in peace and may God accept your fasting and your worships. Today, as you know, we will continue with our episodes about Serigne Afia Bousso, and if you remember yesterday, we were talking about his qualities. And today we will continue with another point, which is his relationship with Sheikh Ahmad Bamba. Despite his brotherly relationship with Sheikh Ahmad Bamba, as you know, he is the direct cousin of Sheikh Ahmad Bamba, because Serigne Afia, his father is Sheikh Bousobe, and Serigne Bousobe and the Sheikh Ahmad Bamba's mother, Sokhna Diarra, are from same father and mother. So Serigne Afia is his direct cousin, and despite all of that, he sold the kingship and brotherhood with will and pledged allegiance to him early, and was interested in tracking his effects and obeying his orders and avoiding his prohibitions. And about loving Sheikh Ahmad Bamba, Serigne Afia's love of Sheikh Ahmad Bamba, you cannot imagine it. He loves him too much. Also, a great reverence and honor, and the severity of his respect for him was that when he leaves Bustan al-Arifin to visit Sheikh Ahmad Bamba in Touba, he takes off his shoes when he reaches the city called Mbal. And when he arrived to the blessed city Touba, he started walking slowly and singing the Qasaid of Sheikh Ahmad Bamba. And all of that is about respect Sheikh Ahmad Bamba and respect the soul that contains Sheikh Ahmad Bamba's body. When Sheikh Ahmad Bamba passed away, he took all of his family and went to the grave of Sheikh Ahmad Bamba, and they stayed there about 40 days reading the Holy Quran and the Qasaid of Sheikh Ahmad Bamba. And he said, now Sheikh Ahmad Bamba has gone, so I will not leave from this place, I will stay here. He is one of the senior followers of Sheikh Ahmad Bamba, who lived with him in his city, the first Touba, and traveled to Mauritania and Jolof also during the period that Sheikh Ahmad Bamba stayed there. He carried a wooden box that contains the baggages of Sheikh Ahmad Bamba when he was preparing for his maritime absence. When he put it on his head, his hair has disappeared. The Sheikh asked him what he wanted about that, or what he wanted about that. Sheikh Afia said, I want nothing about that, but to increase my love for you. The Sheikh prayed to God to return back his hair to his head, and after that he decided not to shave his hair, and he stayed like that until he passed away. Let's stop here for today, and thank you again to be following us with your episodes about Serigne Afia Bousso and our preparations for the Magal Serigne Afia Bousso, which will be inshallah Monday on 26th of the Holy Ramadan, 11th of June 2018. And see you tomorrow inshallah. and thank you so much and have a good night. Thank you.